मैम नमस्ते।
Haji, good morning everyone. Today we are going to do our next chapter, that is new religion development, religious development. It is a chapter from our history book devotional path. और इसमें हमने अपने as per our syllabus content we have to go for the study about 4 personalities who has given their contribution in the field of religious parameters. और वो 4 personalities जो हमारे religious gurus हैं उनके बारे में हमने अपनी नोटबुक्स के ऊपर 8 to 10 लाइंस 8 to 10 लाइंस में लिखना है. एंड फर्स्ट जो हमने लिखना है दैट इज गुरु नानक देव जी. सेकंड हमने लिखना है कबीर, संत कबीर. थर्ड हमने लिखना है सूरदास जी के ऊपर. एंड फोर्थ हमने लिखना है तुलसीदास जी के ऊपर. As in the yesterday class, I had explained you that you are supposed to write 8 to 10 lines beforehand, and we will discuss that lines, and all per the consensus, we will write all equal lines, 8 to 10 lines properly. सारे एक बराबर लिखेंगे, सारे एक जैसे लिखेंगे. So have you done your work properly? किया हुआ है आपने काम अपना?
साथ साथ में नोटबुक पे लिखना है
बेटे आप लेटर ऑन अपनी नोटबुक पे साफ साफ लिख लेंगे, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुक सम कंटेंट इज बीइंग रिटन इन योर बुक, यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो. अपनी बुक के यू कैन ओपन द पेज फ्रॉम योर चैप्टर, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप लिख सकते हैं. पहले हम करेंगे गुरु नानक देव जी के ऊपर. अ क्लोजर लुक ऑफ गुरु नानक देव जी, वो वाला पेज आप निकालिए. I'll repeat, page number 117 from devotional path to the divine chapter में से a closer look, Baba Guru Nanak. It is written over there in your book?
मैम. यस.
Yeah. So from that, we have to write 8 to 10 lines about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So first line, that is Guru Nanak Dev Ji, born in 1469 to 1539, Talwandi at Nankana Sahib. Number 2 पे आप लिख सकते हैं, he traveled widely before establishing a center at Kartarpur, Dera Baba Nanak. He traveled widely before establishing a center at Kartarpur, Dera Baba Nanak, on the river Ravi. Then he followed, ate together, ate together in the common kitchen, जिसको हम कहते हैं लंगर सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट हम करेंगे, he created a place which was known as Dharamsal, sacred place. He has created a sacred place which is known as Dharamsal, and later on it became as a Gurudwara. जो आज के डेट में हम लोग गुरुद्वारा साहिब जाते हैं, it is being developed, or this idea was being created by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Is it okay? Any other line we will discuss. मैंने बेसिक्स बताई, अब आप बताइए. He has given the concept of langar system. He has given the concept of नाम जपना, किर्त करना और वंड छकना. He has also developed the idea of equality. God is one. Is it okay? कोई doubt इसमें?
Yes.
All these 10 lines you have to write in your notebook.
yes.
Okay? And after that, in a very decorative way. In a very decorative way. Because उसी decoration और उसी writing content के accordingly आपके इस chapter के activity के marks लगने हैं. This is a chapter which will not be assessed in the PT3 or even in PT4. Only the assessment will be your presentation on the notebook. Is it okay? So Sant Kabir, from 15th century to 16th century, he was the most influential sant. Saint कह सकते हैं. He was most influential saint. He was brought up in the family of Muslim Julaha weaver. He was brought up in the family of Muslim Julaha weaver near the city of Banaras. Look at the fifth line that He has given the idea and the collection of verses called Sakhi or Pad is said to be composed by him. Sakhi or Pad composed by him, and all these things were sung as bhajan. Some of these were collectively preserved in Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Panchwani and Bijak. किसमें प्रिजर्व किए गए? गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी के अंदर, पंचवानी एंड बीजक. Kabir's teachings were based on complete, indeed vehement rejection of various religious tradition. Next आप करेंगे, Kabir believes in formless supreme God. He preached that only path of salvation through devotion and bhakti. Kabir also drew his following from among both Hindu and Muslim. He believed in the unity among Hindu and Muslim. Is it okay to everyone? So third personality which we will be going to discuss, that is Surdas Ji. He was in a 16th century. He was born in 16th century as a blind Hindu. He was known as devotional poet and singer. He was known for his lyrics written in praise of Lord Krishna. He used the language Braj Bhasha, as all these things were written in Braj Bhasha. His major task was, he has written, that is Sur Sagar, Satya Lahari and Sur Saravali. Sur Sagar, Sur Sahitya Lahari and Sur Saravali. So Surdas Ji was blind, but he was follower of Lord Krishna. He has given devotional, his concept, that is poet and singer. So all this, he has great religious singer. He was a great religious singer. He believed in Lord Krishna. So all these things you have to write down on your notebook. So on page number 114, we have to do about Sant Surdas Ji. Surdas Ji was a devotee of Krishna. His composition was compiled in Sur Sagar, Suraswali and Sahitya Lahari. Okay? So this you have to write.
एक और लाइन आ सकती है मैम इसमें.
बेटा हम लोग he began the practice of setting up Namghar, a house of recitation. A practice continued later. This practice was continued later also. This line you can add. So fourth Guru, that is Tulsidas Ji, accepted existing. He was known as Goswami Tulsidas. पूरा नाम उनका था Goswami Tulsidas. He was renowned for his devotion to the deity of Rama. ये किस परमात्मा की भक्ति में थे? राम की भक्ति में थे. जैसे कि सूरदास जी कृष्णा की भक्ति में थे, तुलसीदास जी रामचंद्र जी की भक्ति में थे. He wrote several works in Sanskrit and Awadhi. So he used the language that is Awadhi and Sanskrit. Best book as a author of epic रामचरित्र मानस. इनके द्वारा जो किताब रचित हुई, जो किताब लिखी गई, जो एपिक ग्रंथ लिखा गया, that was रामचरित्र मानस, a Sanskrit Ramayana based on Rama's life in the vernacular. अब यहाँ पर vernacular का मतलब होता है different languages, that is Awadhi. So he has written Sanskrit epic Ramcharitramanas, which was again in the vernacular language, that is Awadhi. So Tulsi Ghat एक और पॉइंट बता रही हूँ, दैट इज तुलसी घाट ऑन द बनारस रिवर। बनारस के ऊपर, गंगा रिवर के ऊपर, बनारस में गंगा रिवर के ऊपर वन घाट इज देयर, दैट इज तुलसी घाट ऑन गंगा रिवर इन बनारस इज नेम आफ्टर हिम। ही फाउंडेड संकट मोचन जो है टेम्पल डिवोटेड टू लॉर्ड हनुमान इन बनारस। इन्होंने एक बनारस के अंदर टेम्पल भी कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाया था, दैट वाज कंसिडर्ड एज अ संकट मोचन टेम्पल which is devoted to Lord Hanuman. Is it clear about Tulsidas ji? His real name was, complete name was Goswami Tulsidas. He was renowned for his devotion to Lord Ram, and he wrote several works in Sanskrit and Awadhi. Best epic is Ramcharitmanas, a story, Sanskrit story based on Rama's life, and he has also written in vernacular Awadhi. Tulsi Ghat in Banaras on Ganga River is named after that personality, and he has also made Sankat Mochan temple for Lord Hanuman in Banaras, Varanasi. So I think this content will be sufficient for you to write about Sant Tulsidas ji.
मैम कौन सा टेम्पल था?
पेज नंबर
Temple is Sankat Morchan temple at Banaras, Lord Hanuman. I hope all these 4 points are clear to you about Guru Nanak Dev Ji, about Surdas Ji, about Tulsidas Ji, and about Kabir Ji. So you have to write all these personalities, contribution, their work in the field of religious parameters, and new idea of Hinduism and Muslim developed with the idea of creating salvation and devotion, dedication, and equality. God is one. Okay, so all these parameters you have to write in your notebook in a very beautiful or decorative or creative way and send it to me by tomorrow evening, Saturday, that is 5th of December, ताकि मैं 4 और 5 2 दिन आपके सब्जेक्ट इनरिचमेंट और इसके एक्टिविटी बेस्ड जो भी मैंने मार्क्स लगाने हैं वो मैं लगा पाऊँ आपकी। Is it okay to everyone?